Itinanggi ng Philippine Navy ang pahayag ng China na sumabay ito sa pagpapatrolya ng Pilipinas at Japan sa West Philippine Sea. Nakatutok si Chino Gaston.
Tinawag na panlilinlang ng Philippine Navy ang pahayag ng China na sinabayan ng kanilang Navy ang joint patrol ng Philippine Navy at Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force sa West Philippine Sea. Giit ng Philippine Navy, walang nakialam o humarang sa pagpatrolyang yan ditong Sabado. Bumuntot lang nila ang Jiangkai-class frigate ng China sa mga barko ng Pilipinas at Japan. Habang nasa Sabina, Ayung Incheon at Baho de Masinloc naman ang mga dati ng dami ng Chinese Coast Guard vessel.
The Philippine Navy did not monitor any coordinated air and maritime patrols in our maritime zones. Reports like this are mere attempts at misinformation, disinformation, and malinformation to shape the internal and domestic narrative of the Chinese Communist Party's illegal claims in our maritime domain.
Inihambing ng AFP ang paninindigan at stratehiya ng bansa sa West Philippine Sea sa laro ng chess. Sa harap ng mga balitang pinalalawak pa umano ng China ang nuclear capability nito.
For our case, we use right versus might. So this is a different playing field altogether. No, the Philippines is playing somewhat like a strategic game. We're playing like a game of chess. No, we're using our voice to fight, and we're using the law. And arbitral ruling UNCLOS has already ruled in our favor, and thus this right, as our might, has shown its power. We cannot speculate on how others would fortify their defenses.
Kasama sa stratehiya ang pagbili ng 2 Malvar-class frigates at mga paparating ng 12 bagong FA-50 fighter jets mula Korea. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Chino Gaston, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.